Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting data and confirming account access. Back up any local files to Drive or a USB so you don't lose work. Once done, sign out of secondary accounts and verify the owner or admin Google account credentials. This is required for many disable methods. Make sure the Chromebook is plugged into power to prevent shutdowns during the process. These steps avoid lockouts and data loss, and they set you up to proceed with system-level changes safely. Now you'll move into the actionable middle steps. Decide whether to power wash, factory reset, or use recovery mode to disable the device. If you choose power wash, open Settings, Advanced, and Reset Settings, then confirm power wash. This removes accounts and settings. If hardware recovery is required, reboot into recovery with ESC plus refresh plus power, then follow prompts to restore from a USB image. You do this to remove profiles, disable manage settings, or re-image the OS, so the Chromebook is effectively disabled for its prior configuration. Finish by verifying the change. Let the Chromebook restart and ensure no user accounts or enterprise enrollment reappear. If you intended to disable it, the absence of sign-in options and a setup screen confirms success. Make sure to remove any recovery USB when done. If something goes wrong, such as persistent management or failed recovery, recreate the recovery USB on another Chromebook and try again, because bad media commonly causes failures. If enrollment still persists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.